So for those who don't know, because there's a few people who haven't been around, I have DID, which means Dissociative Identity Disorder, which means there's several people living in my head. Yeah. Right now there's like 5 of us. But there's 4 of us that matter. And which is why we change avatars and change names so much. That's why we settled on the it makes so much more sense now, doesn't it? When I explained it to Rain, she was like, oh, now it makes sense why you change your name every 3 months. I'm like, yeah. It's fighting for like an individuality. That's why we settled on T Queen OS, because it's like what we refer to ourselves internally as anyway. That's like the name of our system. So there's me, Siri, there's Cassie, there's Victa, and there's Lily. I just thought you had commitment issues. Nah, I don't have commitment issues. I've been in a committed relationship for over 2 years now. Thank you. She says being polyamorous and has several partners. And is never going to get married because all of the people she dates are either married or in other long-term committed relationships. Fuck. I do have commitment issues. Yeah, we're still working out how to display it on the UI here. Like who's driving the boat. Because right now we still only have my model. Like we have Lilith's model, but it's not like ready to go. Like here's Lilith's. It's not ready to go. It works. I have color correction settings on because the avatar, the one I've been using, doesn't show up the way I wanted it to. I think I'm gonna put it in like the name, like the window up here. Just put like user.siri or whatever, and do the same thing in like, hold on. This window, put like user.siri or user.lily to user.cassie, etc. And it's also going to be like defined by the avatars because I have an avatar, Lilith has an avatar, Cassie has an avatar, and we're working on Siri's Invicta's avatar now. Libidine and Vivian don't drive often enough for them to get their own avatars. I guess Libidine does have her own avatar. It's just lost to the sands of time. Oh, no. Like, I could do it. I have to... there's some things I gotta fix with Lilith's model. I'm gonna re-update it to, like, my new style. That's the thing. Is like, this... I have just kind of changed the way that I make models and, like, the style, the vibe I'm going for. So I want to make the older models match that. Yeah, the red and black haired demoness is Libidine, yeah. I can show you guys the sneak peek to Victa's model. Do you want to see it? We refer to ourselves with weird names internally. The reason I'm the Fox Girl is because I'm the one that will... Lily and Libidine are 2 different persons, yes. Lily is Lilith. Lilith fucking Lorraine, Witch of the Wilds. So I'm the fox. I'm the one that will lie to get us out of situations. I'm the cunning one. I will do and say anything to make sure that we are safe. Victa is the one that's actually the protector in our system. She is much more level-headed and calm and thinks about things. She is also the only one that can make herself come out at will. She can make others of us sleep. There's so many L names. There's only 2. There's Lily and Libidine. Then you have Viv. You have Siri. You have Cassie. You have Victa. Did you take your seat at 6 p.m.? It's an 8 p.m. and no. So because Victa's the most powerful of us and is like the protector, usually we all have our own personas, but she really latched onto the idea of this model because this model's cute as fuck. Like, we all love it. But this model as like a more powerful version of it. Also, Victa is the only top. Yes. But so the more powerful version of a kitsune would be a nine-tailed kitsune or an okami. So, hold on. Here's Victa's avatar. I got a bit more weight painting and accessories to add. A Kyubi, yeah. Well, no, we're going with okami for this. I don't know. I think we're gonna retexture this. I fucking love how the snapback texture came out, yeah. So she's a goddess then. I mean, we all have a goddess complex. More so, some more so than other. Like Lilith. Like, the partner that I live with described Lilith as cruel, which I think is kind of an accurate description of her. If you ever get into VTuber and gonna get one from you, fuck yeah. But I think we're gonna change the armband or keep it like this for like the throwback. Pay this bitch for models, yeah. I kind of want to do model commissions, but also I don't want the stress. And then you got your tails. I'm gonna do so Okami lore or Okami / QB lore is the only way to kill a QB or a nine-tailed kitsune is to chop off all of their tails. That's how you kill a kitsune, is you chop off all of their tails. A nine-tailed QB is the strongest of all the kitsune. And they say that their soul is kept in their center tail, and you know which one it is by a ring of beads around the center tail. So I'm gonna add the ring of beads to this as well. I fucked up when I was merging bones, so all of the tails are like attached to this one, except for the center tail. So I don't know how we're gonna do this. We're gonna figure it out though. All right. I actually don't know if you can see because of my tail, but I also have my Freya's mark on my back on this model. For those who haven't seen the full model, it's the same as it's the same outfit as the other one. Nagatsun is just another name for a Yako. They're not distinctly separate. I love fox spirits. They're like my favorite. Jumping Jack Redeem. Oh. Oh. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video about like my background and stuff, make sure that you click that subscribe button below. I will see you guys in the next video. I have a few things planned. We're gonna be doing some VTuber like tutorial stuff. I'm gonna be going over like how I'm gonna be doing my avatar shifts because of my DID and several other things. So if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. This has been the Tea Queen. Peace out.